Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a web page to your reading list in Google Chrome on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your Google Chrome. So here is my Google Chrome. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to go to the web page or website that you want to add to your reading list. So let me go to mine. Let me tap on this search box. Let me type the address. Let me open this. You can see it's opening. You can see I have this website opened. Let me open any article. So let me open this one. Let me tap on this. You can see I have this web page opened. So after opening your web page that you want to add to your reading list, you have to come at the bottom and then you have to tap on this three dots over here. So let me tap on this, and I have this menu opened, and in this menu you have to scroll down and then you have to tap on this read later. So let me tap on this, and you can see I have this message added to reading list. So in order to access your reading list, you have to come to this bottom section and then tap on this three dots over here. So let me tap on this, and I have this menu opened, and you can see guys here we have this link reading list. So you have to tap on this. Let me tap on this, and I have this reading list, this screen opened. You can see guys I have this web page link added over here in this unread section. So whenever you want to read this, you have to come to this reading list, this screen, come to this unread section, and you can tap on your web page link, and then it will open and you can read it. And also guys, you can read the offline version also. So let me show you. So just come to this reading list, go to your web page link and tap and hold on that. So let me tap and hold on this link, and you can see I have this options over here. You can see here we have this open offline version. So if I tap on this, you can see I have this offline version of this web page opened. And after you're done, you can close your Google Chrome. So let me close this. So that's it. In this way you can easily add a web page to your reading list in Google Chrome on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.